In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy one of your design slides or pages in Canva and paste it anywhere else. So here I have this presentation. This can be any other design, doesn't matter. They all can have these pages underneath. And if you don't see these pages, just click on these pages. This pages one at the top, at the bottom right. It has to be light gray. If you have it like this, then you'll be able to scroll through it, which I personally don't prefer. So just click on it, and now you'll be able to select each page individually. And now click on the page you want to copy, click on the three dots, and then click on copy. And you can also do so by clicking Control C, which I'm going to do. So Control C, and now you can paste it anywhere you want. So just click on where you want to paste it. So if you want to paste it after this slide, just click on this slide and then click Control V, or you can click on the three dots and then paste. So that's going to paste it right after this slide, and you can do so by clicking Control V as well. And once you have this copied as well, you can also paste this into other designs, and it doesn't matter that the design is a different aspect ratio or differently sized or dimensioned. So here this one is like a square logo type design. I can still paste this in here by clicking Control V or paste from here. As you can see, it's still pasted. So now we have two different pages of different size within the same design. So that's how you copy and paste a design within Canva. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.